Hey my loved ones, welcome back to my channel. So today I got another 101 recipe, and today I'm going to make some beef broccoli because you know I do not trust them Chinese food places, you know, all that rat and all that stuff. Stay out them vegetables. Gone. Get gone. Okay, so I have some carne asada marinated from Stater Brothers. This is about 3 pieces. I have 2 onions, 1.5 bell pepper, 1 small bag of broccoli. I did Instacart, which is a service that delivers your groceries, and I thought this was a bigger bag, so I ended up purchasing 2. So I might use 1.5 bags. Some beef bouillon, onion powder, minced garlic, black pepper, red pepper flakes, and soy sauce. And of course the oil of your choice, either olive oil, vegetable oil, canola oil, which peanut oil, whatever oil you want to use. But these are some healthy recipes. I'm not using any salt besides the chicken bouillon, or is that how you say it? And the soy sauce, but you can always get low sodium soy sauce. So if you want to see how I make my beef broccoli, then please stay tuned. First, we're going to start off by heating some vegetable oil. Make sure your fire is on medium high. Pour the oil in the pan and let it get hot. Once your oil is hot, you want to add your sliced bell pepper and onion. This is 1.5 bell pepper and 2 small onions, and we're just going to saute them until they get real soft. We're going to add some crushed red pepper flakes, and we're just going to place that inside the onion and the bell pepper. Mix that around and make sure you put as much as you want. I'm a little generous. I like mine a little spicy. Next, some onion powder, which contains no salt, and we're just going to sprinkle a little bit of that on there. Then we're going to take some black pepper to give it a little more spice, and I love the way black pepper tastes on my beef broccoli. So now we're going to add the minced garlic, and we're going to go ahead and put that in there, stir it up, and just make sure the garlic is incorporated throughout the vegetable. So now we're going to add the broccoli. So once the veggies are sauteed and a little soft, translucent, we're going to add some broccoli. Make sure you have enough broccoli in there. I use 1 pack, and then I added a little bit of another pack a little later, because once they get soft, they will shrink. So I like my broccoli a little al dente, not too soft, because you don't want it to be mushy. So yes, we're going to go ahead and place the broccoli in there and add some beef bouillon and water. And this is just a half a spoon of bouillon and a little bit of water. And we're just going to make sure the broccoli steam so they could get soft. So yeah, that's what we're going to do. Make sure you cover it up. Then next we're going to add some beef bouillon, and this is going to be our seasoning for the whole dish. And we're going to use a half tablespoon of that. Mix that in there, and this is our salt content for this dish besides the soy sauce. So we're just going to go ahead and stir it around. Make sure our broccoli is al dente. We do not want it mushy. So we're going to go ahead and add our beef. Put that in there. So we are just placing the beef in there, and then we're going to add our green onion, and this is just for a little bit of kick. You do not have to add the green onion if you don't want to, but I like green onion in all my dishes. Plus it was something left over from my chicken fried rice. And now we're going to add the soy sauce. You don't need that much soy sauce, but you know, put as much soy sauce as you want for taste. And more red pepper flakes, and that is about it. Stir it up, cover it up, let it steam a little more to how you want your broccoli, and that is it, you guys. Thank you guys for tuning in today. This is what it looks like once it is complete. Very delicious. I hope you guys try this recipe. Don't forget to please hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell if you want to see me cook another recipe. I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.